we'll cover a script for grid visibility control in floor plans. With this plugin, you can swiftly toggle grid bubbles visibility, a real boon for design professionals. Upon launching the plugin, we're greeted with a user-friendly form. Here, we can select floor plans and set grid visibility options, all visible, and all hide. Visible right, bottom. Hide right, bottom. Visible left, top. Hide left, top. Hitting OK activates the plugin. It carries out our commands within a Revit transaction, essential for any model alterations. It smartly applies our visibility preferences across the chosen floor plans. The script is foolproof, equipped to handle errors gracefully rolling back changes if needed, ensuring stability. This tool is a great asset, saving time and enhancing consistency in Revit projects. That's a wrap for now. Join us for more practical Revit API tips. Thank you for watching.